You know, we'll sign autographs later. We have some business.
Just want to know if we can ask you some questions, please.
About? What about our masks?
Do any of your employees wear them?
Follow me.
Yeah. Every worker, every plant wears one.
How many plants?
3 in Central City and Keystone. 14 in the Midwest alone.
So, probably thousands.
And we are the only facility that uses them.
Thank you for your time.
Hey, I love that pear meme going around the last few weeks. Classic.
Classic. I have a suggestion for you. Maybe next time you do a Google search, advance to page 2.